On my way down to the construction site, I am riding my bike.
Hey.
Like your bike's good?
Yep.
You had lunch?
No, I need to get back.
Build a road in here.
Huh?
I'm gonna build a road in here.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
Bike?
Are you kidding me?
What?
They're building a road in here.
No, it's an access road, just temporary. Just so that McCartney can bring the load through there. I don't have to go all the way around.
Okay, I'm gonna go see the rest of the guys.
I'll sit here again. Lonely.
Really?
There's some stuff going on over here. They're moving slow.
They're moving slow over there? Is it more exciting for video over here?
Yeah. We got trucks coming.
Over here? You see what I have on?
Yeah. So let me ride the bike?
I just changed that too, because the mount broke yesterday.
Can I ride it? Is it fun?
What?
Your bike?
Yeah, it's fun.
Can I ride it?
Sure, but I don't let anyone usually ride it.
You know where to find me if I steal it.
Yeah, right here.
No one ever rides my bikes, so he is lucky to ride my bicycle. Because I don't let anybody. I just put brand new pedals on this bike and I let someone else ride it. About a week. 2 weeks later, I let someone else ride it. And here he comes, and it looks like he's about to hit me on my bike. He likes my bicycle. That is scary. At least I don't think he knows where I live.
Fun to ride, eh? Got big old tires on there.
I love it. We're digging away in this hole here. Right now we're just watching. See what's gonna happen next. So we're filling up the dump trucks right now. Now we are done break, we are filling back up the dump trucks.
Here comes the front end loader.
Filling in the hole a bit.
It looks like fun, but is it? It's fun until you start working in the heat.
We are filling in the hole, like I said, bit by bit. So right now we're just, like I say, moving some dirt as the garbage truck is trying to come down the street. Or a recycling truck. So the recycling truck just left. But we have a lot of dirt here. I wanted to show you how much dirt we have, because I think it's pretty wicked. So I'm going to go over across the street for a second. I just want to do something. But look at how much dirt we have. It's a lot. Like I say, we're working over in this hole. Maybe I'll go over and show you what's in the trench box. Let's cross the street here for a sec. That is what it looks like down in the trench.
Truck ran over that manhole lid and it's sitting a little ways down in.
Is that the old one?
Yeah, it's the old one.
What's up, Justin?
Can't get this.
Got run over by that garbage truck and then he slowed down and hit the gas. And
Yeah, he did.
Spun it. like.
I noticed he slowed down.
Down in there.
I noticed he slowed down. Can you tie a rope to it?
No, it's too heavy for a rope.
How can't you tie something to it so McCartan can take it?
He'll be able to slow it down.
He will?
Yeah, just be real careful around it, Jeffrey, alright?
McCartan will do it? Or McCartan?
Well, I'm not 100% sure, like... Let me get a double. Yeah, we'll hear somebody's not Yeah, fucking nervous. You might have to go grab one of the replacement, dude. Look at that. I think we're going to grab the one from the...
Good thing we're replacing it.
Yeah.
Good thing we're...
And pop this lid on it.
Good thing we're replacing it.
Hey, McCartney. I think we're gonna need a frame. I think this frame's fucked.
Isn't this the old one?
What's that? Is there? Those are going on this one and that one though. Yeah, is there? That one? And we kept the lid for that.
Are we replacing this?
Yeah, buddy.
Like, aren't we putting a new one in? Eventually?
Yes, sir. Like a whole new manhole. Okay, Jeff, you don't want me in there.
Okay, I will. Just kidding. Our garbage truck ran over this. Oh, you brought me a tool.
Yeah.
So I can start working? We have to replace that or something. I don't know what we're doing with that manhole there. Manholes are pretty dirty because that's where all your shit goes, I think. I think that's where all the shit goes. Look at this. They painted on this manhole because I'm guessing it's going away or something like that. Like they're getting rid of it or something. I don't know what they're doing with it. I'm pretty sure that's the old one, so yeah. Am I okay right here? Huh?
Put your camera there. Look at it.
Wow. That is deep.
There you go. Just don't go close to the bank.
That's why I didn't come very close, but...
You want that down open there? Yeah.
Looks fun down there, Corey. So right now, what we're doing is we're... It's dusty right now because the...
It's dusty because the excavator driving down the street.
Look at how dusty it is. You can probably tell in the camera a bit. I'm gonna cross. Oh, maybe we're not, because looks like they're gonna try and move this manhole. Look what he's doing with this bucket so he can move this machine around. So he's moving this machine in a way I have not thought was possible.
Uncover it.
anymore much. That sounds very weird.
That lid, but he can keep the lid from the other one, right?
Wowzers.
That's how we work around here.
Wow, we're even putting the lid back on. Just like he said. That looks freaking heavy. We're putting the manhole back to the way it was supposed to be when, for now anyway, because we're replacing it. We are replacing the manhole.
Oh, eventually, Jeffrey, eventually.
Throughout this year.
Yeah, this year it'll get done. Just need something to cover it so it's not exposed.
You heard them, guys, so it's not exposed. You heard them. Together almost every day. I haven't been to the bar and I wish I could be there again, just like olden days. Let's go over where coal is. We're going to cross back over where we originally were. We're crossing the street, like I said, filling up the dump truck, filling up the dump truck. Now the dump truck is leaving. Now we're bringing another one in. And I think that's this one. Wait a sec and I'll show you. Right now we're backing up another dump truck. Backing up. So the dump truck's backing up. But we're going back to watch the hole over here. The trench. We're breaking a lot of tree branches over here, it looks like. Looks like we're broken a few tree branches. Am I good right here?
Yeah, you're good there, Jeffrey.
We're gonna put this pipe.
That black thing is not a pipe. It's called Big O. Big O.
We got more dump trucks down there now. Dump trucks are coming and going. That's the life of a construction site. Am I good here? Yeah, it should be good here. Am I good right here?
Yeah, no more than the sidewalk though, Jeffrey. Yeah, do what you need.
I got it.
If any of you guys have drove an excavator, tell me down below, because it looks hard. It looks like it would be hard, especially as the knobs and controls on the excavator.
The excavators are busy on the site today. This hole's getting deeper and deeper. We're filling in a bit of the hole over here, and over here we're digging up the hole. Right now, like I say, we're just like working in the hole here in the trench with the guys on the construction site. Cole is working down there.
Hey, you get Corey, he get back up.
Right now we are, like I say, busy on the construction site today. We're always busy on the site, here on the construction site. There's tree branches on the side of the excavator's arm.
One of the construction workers said in this clip here that everybody is filming everyone in this clip here.
What?
Everyone's recording everyone here.
Crazy. Everyone was recording someone at that point in time, it looks like.
That was a joke, Jeffrey.
And why did you take out so many tree branches with the excavator?
What's that?
Why did the excavator take out so many tree branches?
You're trying his best not to take any out.
No, bull crap, really? Bull crap, really?
Oh yeah.
Go take a look at how big the dirt piles got from the dump trucks dumping dirt.
Right now, we are, like I say, taking a look at how big the sand pile is. They have a lot of sand or dirt, whatever you want to call it. Well, I guess it's got smaller a bit, but not by much. It hasn't got smaller, and it's not so dusty down there right now. Right now we are, like I say, watching everything going on at the site here. We are filling in the hole, I think, for the weekend. Like, so it's safe for the weekend, I guess. So right now we're filling in the hole for the weekend, am I right? Are we filling in the hole for a weekend? Why?
We're done. We don't want a fellow like you falling in the hole.
Fuck, right. That would be cool, Paul. Get YouTube footage. Put in waste stuff for the weekend. Cleaning up the site.
What about this, kid?
Okay, we're gonna cross the street here. I want to go see what Paul's doing. Paul's doing something across the street where my bike is. Look at all the mess from the excavator there.
I am not 100% sure what Paul is doing, but we're going to see what he is doing right now.
Right now we are, like I say, once we fill in the hole, we should be good for the weekend. The reason I say should is because right now we are, like I say, filling in the hole so we don't have to come back on the weekend. So right now we're filling the hole in so we don't have to come back on the weekend. Garbage trucks are trying to get down the street. As we're trying to fill in this hole for the weekend. Corey! But like I say, it's gonna be a one hefty, it's gonna be pretty, how was it in the hole, Corey, today? Sucks, he said. Because he was literally cutting a pipe that was a shitty pipe, because he had to cut a shit pipe. Maybe that's the title for this video, Shit Pipe Cutter. Well, I want to move my bike so I can be on the other side, but I'm not leaving yet. I just want to move this.
Everybody thinks I'm leaving because I untied my bike from the tree.
No, it's moving.
2 minutes later. 2 minutes later.
We're just moving my bike across the street here. Corey!
What?
What's up? Huh?
What's going on, man?
Not much. How was wearing the mask?
Oh, better than...
Is that your own mask?
Yeah, better than breathing inside the mask, huh?
So it's nobody else's mask?
Why are you asking the same questions? You just asked him about the mask.
It's only your mask? Nobody else wears it?
You need to stop asking the same questions about that mask.
We're packing up for the day once again. We're getting ready to go home once again. I don't know what we're doing, but I think I think we're gonna call this a day because we'll see them on Monday and we'll be back on Monday. We're gonna call this a weekend. Yeah.
Monday, buddy.
See you Monday. You too.
Don't forget next Friday's Hot Hawaiian Thursday.
Cool.
See you next week.
See you next week.
Heading home on my bicycle from the construction site.